Let me ask you, have you ever felt like marketing in the tech industry is a bit monotonous? You're not alone. Business to business and business to consumer, especially tech video marketing, is more crucial than ever for making a mark, even in industries that might seem less exciting at first glance. With digital video consumption skyrocketing, leveraging video content can transform how your tech company engages with its audience, builds trust, and drives conversions. Here's a surprising statistic. B2B companies that use video marketing see a 73% increase in conversions. That's right, video isn't just a nice to have thing, it's a game changer for your bottom line. But let's talk about the real challenges you face in the tech industry. Market saturation. With so many competitors, standing out can feel like finding a unique voice in a crowded room. Engaging content creation. Creating content that not only informs but also captivates can be daunting. Trying to make a spreadsheet look exciting and challenging, right? Measuring the ROI. Tracking the impact your video marketing efforts to prove ROI often feels like chasing shadows. These obstacles can make it tough to see the tangible benefits your video marketing efforts are making. So how can you make your B2B or B2C video marketing more engaging? Here are 3 creative strategies. Strategy 1. It all comes down to storytelling. Humans are wired to respond to stories. Craft narratives around your technology that highlight real-world applications and success stories. This makes your content relatable and memorable. IBM's Life at IBM videos effectively uses real-world scenarios to illustrate how their technology solutions address urban challenges. The narrative follows a clear structure, presenting problems faced by cities and demonstrating IBM's innovative solutions through engaging storytelling. The seamless blend of live footage and dynamic animations makes complex technological concepts accessible and visually compelling to the audience. Then there's the USPS, the United States Postal Service. Each year they showcase their sorting technology with stories for its holiday video, such as this one that we were privileged to work on that helps tug at the heartstrings. And don't forget humor. A touch of humor can make your videos more enjoyable and shareable. It helps break the ice and makes your brand more approachable. Just ensure that it aligns with your brand, your voice, and your audience expectations.
Cool!
Then there's number 3, unique visuals. You gotta invest in high quality visuals and creative graphics that make your videos stand out, whether it's through animation or dynamic motion graphics or stunning live action shots. Unique visuals can capture attention and reinforce your message. Look on places like Fiverr for people who are excellent in creating good visuals for your videos at a decent cost. But just don't take our word for it. Let's look at real success stories. California Lightworks partnered with TubeFlex to create a series of explainer videos for their innovative lighting solutions. Within 3 months, they saw a 35% increase in website engagement and a 20% rise in demo requests. Our tailored video strategies made their complex products easy to understand and highly appealing to their target audience in the horticulture world. In summary, standing out in a seemingly boring industry is all about creativity and strategic execution. By leveraging storytelling, humor, and unique visuals, TubeFlex Media helps your business-to-business or business-to-consumer tech company enhance engagement, drive conversions, and improve your video marketing ROI. So you ready to see how TubeFlex Media can transform your video marketing? Click the link in the description to book your 15 to 30-minute strategy call and discover how we can help you achieve measurable success. Let's make your video marketing stand out. I got 2 more videos here for you that we recommend. Go to the next video and we'll see you there.